I've Lurch pulled most of the apples off this one tree that I've been dealing with, about 80 pounder apples, that I've now more or less done things with. Canned, dehydrated, frozen, made wines. I've still got 18 apple trees that I've still got apples on. This is just the bucket that I've thrown the windfall apples in, and they're going to go on the compost pile, but I don't want to put them all in a lump together. I'll be mixing them with some other stuff, you know, the greenery of the potatoes and different other things, and let them rot down and give them back to the tree next year. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation. It's when the bad-nosed bears throw me a bag of temptation. It's what a